In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify your lighting setup to achieve softer shadows, giving your renders a more natural and realistic appearance. Understanding shadow softness is a key component of mastering light management in any scene. So, let's get started with these steps to enhance your lighting effects. First, you'll need to select the light in your scene. This is often a directional light or sunlight, which you can locate through either the Scene panel or the Lights panel. Once you've selected your light source, navigate over to the Light's Properties panel. This is where you'll find a very important section labeled Shape, Size, or Light Source Parameters. The size parameter of your light source is crucial for controlling shadow softness. Simply put, the size of the light affects the softness of shadow edges. Larger lights will produce shadows with softer, blurrier edges, while smaller lights create sharper shadow boundaries. As you increase the size of your light source, you'll notice these shadows becoming more diffused. Now, if you're working specifically with sunlight, there's an additional parameter you'll want to pay attention to, which is cloudiness. The concept here is straightforward, yet extremely useful. With a low cloudiness value, your scene will be lit more directly by the sun, resulting in hard-edged shadows. However, as you increase the cloudiness value, the light becomes more diffused, and your shadows turn soft and faded, closely mimicking how real-world cloud cover affects sunlight. Moreover, in the environment properties, there's another useful control to be aware of. This is the ground plane shadow opacity slider. Using this tool, you can adjust how dense or transparent your shadows appear. Typically, when aiming for soft shadows, setting the shadow opacity to a moderate level rather than full black enhances the visual appeal, conveying a more realistic interaction of light and surfaces. After you've made your adjustments to the light size or cloudiness, it's important to preview your scene. You can do this using either an interactive or render preview to check how the shadow edges are affected. If they still appear too sharp and defined, you can revisit the properties and either further increase the light size or adjust the cloudiness and environmental softness more to your liking. Finally, don't forget to consider the position of your light. A light that's positioned further away from objects, combined with a larger size, naturally contributes to softer shadows. This combination can be especially effective when mimicking the soft, ambient lighting frequently found in nature. And there you have it. By carefully adjusting these parameters, you can control the softness of your shadows effectively, balancing the realism and aesthetic quality of your scene lighting. Thanks for watching, and happy rendering.